In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add location to your story in Facebook. So first you wanna click on story, then you wanna choose a story. Let's say this story. Now to add location, go to stickers and hit on location right here. And you wanna turn on the location. And yes, got it. So let's just remove this. Okay, here you should find the locations. You could type in any location, let's say California, and then here you will find any location you would like to choose. So I'll just choose like California for now, just for an example. And you could like if you click on it, you'll see you have like a few settings here, either white or transparent or blue. I'll just keep it white and I'll keep it right here, and then click share. And just like that, you have added a location to your story in Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.